the fifth experiment, we want to use the views and subqueries, and the questions are here. First question is to create a view, customer view based on the customer ID, customer name in the customer table. Change the heading of the city, display the customer city, display the contents of the customer view. The syntax for creating a view is create view name as select all the attribute names from table name. Here we are doing that same as I told now. Here the view is created. Then we want to select all elements from the view. Here we are selecting it and we will be getting the result as it is shown here. Second question is to select the view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. For that, select view name text from user views. This will be showing the inbuilt values that are there for the user view from the dictionary view. See, we can see that here. Next question is to using your customer view enter a query to display all customer names and customer city. For that, we want to select customer name and customer city from the customer view, which is the view that we have created now. Then the output will be like this, which is shown here. Create a view named CA view that contains customer ID, customer names, and customer address for all customers in the city CA. Display the structure and contents of the CA view. For that, we want to create view name of create view name must be CA view as select customer ID, customer name, customer address, state. These are the attributes from the customer 50 is the table where state is equal to CA. So here, when the state is equal to CA, we will be creating a view for all these given attributes which is shown here. So the result will be is shown here. For displaying the view, the syntax is just CA view or the view name or select star from view. Attempts to reassign enrichment to the city NT in the CA view views. Is the view updatable? If yes, it's the updation reflected in the base table. So the update query is there for the SQL. The it is for update view name set state is equal to empty. That means to which we want to change where customer ID is equal to Henry Smith. So now the changes will be made here. And now for displaying that, select state from customer 50 where customer name is equal to Henry Smith. Now now the state is changed here. Earlier the state was another. Now it is changed here. Create a view V1 to display the customer name, order ID, and quantity. Create a view V2 to display the order ID, order date, and date of delivery. Create a view V3 with customer name, order ID, and order date from V1 and V2. So that we want to first create a view of V1 name and as select all the attributes are shown here from customer 50C, order 5001, order N 50O. These all are the tables where 0 customer ID is equal to O1 customer ID is equal to and O1 order ID is equal to O dot order ID. This is the condition we have given here. And we are creating another view, create view V2 as select O dot order ID, O1 dot order date, S dot S date from all the tables where O dot order ID is equal to O1 dot order ID and O dot product ID is equal to or S dot product ID. The second view is created here. The third view is create view V3 as select V1 dot customer name and V1 dot order ID and V2 dot order date from V1 and V2 where V1 dot order ID is equal to V2 dot order ID. So here we are comparing both the views that we have just created above. And so the third view is combining the both views that we have created. So the next question is to display the latest 10 orders. For that, the syntax is select row num as number, order ID, and order date from select order ID, order date from V3. V3 is the view name. order by order date test where row num must be less than or equal to 10. Since it is latest 10 orders, we are showing less than or equal to 10. The data will be shown here. List the do order ID with least order quantity. For that, select row num as number, order ID quantity. From select order ID quantity from given order by quantity. These all are the attributes, and we are ordering it by quantity here, where row num must be less than or equal to 2. Here we want to list the to order with the least order. That's shown here, and the output is shown here. Find the IDs of the customer who have ordered for a cherry or red oak finish. Select customer ID, customer name from customer 50, where customer ID in select order 50 dot customer ID from order 50, where order 50 dot order ID in select order line 50 dot order ID from order line 50, where order line 50 dot product ID in select product 50 dot product ID from product 50, where product 50 dot product finish particular red dog or product 50 dot product finish particular cherry. Here we are using the in of in here we are using the in for all these calculations. Here we want to find the IDs of the customers who have ordered for a cherry or red dog. For both we want to find it. Where we are using in here by selecting uh, attribute from the table, and we are putting the in statement here. So at last we are putting the condition like where product 50 dot product finish is equal to red dog, but product 50 dot product finish is equal to cherry. The last question, to find the IDs of the customers who have ordered for the product table and use the in statement. It is clearly shown here. So you want to select the attributes from the table, where customer ID in we are using in here for select all the attributes from the table, where order ID in is equal to select order line 50 order ID from order line 50, where order line 50 dot product ID in select product 50 the product ID from product 50, where product 50 dot product description is to table name. The same thing as shown in the last question is done here. The last question we are using or for red dog and cherry. Here we are using it only for table name, and the output will be like this shown here. 11th question is find the details of the customers who have ordered for product ID 1000 use exist. For that we are selecting all, we want to find all, we want to see all the details, so we are putting the star here. Select star from customer 50, that's the table name, where customer ID in select 50 dot customer ID from order 50, where order 50 dot order ID in select order line 50 dot order ID from order line 50, where exist select 50 product 50 dot product ID from product 50, where product 50 dot product ID is 1000. We are using the exist here, and we are putting the condition where product 50 dot product ID must be 1000. The 12th question, find the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier hold S3. Use any. We are going to use the any statement. So we are creating, we are using select statement, and we are putting all the attributes from the table name, where attribute ID is equal to any. Or we are again putting the select statement, and we are putting the attribute here from the table name, where again we are using the word order line 50 dot order quantity is greater than any. Yeah, it's the operation which you want to use here. If you want to select what you want to print, that is select order line 50 dot order quantity from order line 50, which is the table name, where supplier 50 dot SID is equal to S3. If the ID is equal to S3, then it can show. So the query is this: find the supplier with the highest rating using all. We have to select the attribute and from the table, where supplier product ID is equal to any. It can be of any ID, because when we are checking the all suppliers with the average rating, highest rating. So we are selecting the product ID from table, where order line 50 dot order quantity is equal to all. We are checking the all people. Then select max of order line 50 dot order quantity from order line 50, which is the the same as the product ordered by Kathy Cook. So that we are selecting all the attributes from the table where attribute product 50 product ID is equal to select order line 50 product ID from order line 50 where order line 50 product ID or is equal to select order 50 order ID from order 50 where order 50 customer ID in select 50 customer ID from customer 50 where customer 50 dot customer name is equal to Kathy Cook. Here we are checking the condition that if the customer name is Kathy Cook, they will show they will use the result. Here there is no data point. Display the supplier details whose supplier quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID 103. So we want to find display the supplier details whose supply quantity must be greater than 103. So that we want to select supply 50 star from supply 50. It's the table name. Supply 50 product ID in that online product ID we have from the table. Then we are putting the we are looking for the all select all and order quantity from order line 50 where order line order ID is equal to 103. If it is 103, then we must get some values. So the values are given here because it is order ID is 103. For all these values, all these columns, the order ID is 103. Display the ordered quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order date of the order ID 106. Here we want to find out the ordered quantity of the order whose ordered date must be greater than the ordered date of the order ID 106. So that the query is select all the attributes from a table where we are checking outline 50 order ID is putting the in statement here. Select order 50 order ID from order 50 is the table name where order 50 order ID order date must be greater than select order 50 order date from order 50 where order 50 order ID must be equal to 106. If it is equal to 106, then we must get the values here. So this is it. Thank you for watching this video.